Here is a combined summary of the 4 pages. Generative artificial intelligence, GenAI, has the potential to revolutionize healthcare quality and safety through automation that enhances patient care. Powered by foundation models, GenAI represents a paradigm shift away from traditional task-specific classifiers. The imminent application of GenAI in healthcare will be through well-defined, low-risk, high-value, and narrow applications that automate healthcare workflows using smaller foundation models. These models will be fine-tuned for different capabilities and application-specific scenarios, providing medical explanations, referencing evidence within a retrieval augmented framework, and utilizing external tools. In contrast, general, all-purpose AI models for end-to-end clinical decision-making require further research before implementation. GenAI can improve healthcare quality and safety by automating mundane tasks, and the principles of implementation science will be critical for integrating end-to-end GenAI systems that will be accepted by healthcare teams. Following the release of OpenAI's ChatGPT, the adoption of GenAI and foundation models has surged. Foundation models receive text queries and generate text output in return, and have been studied for use in various medical research tasks such as operative and progress note writing, answering patient questions, generating clinical summaries, creating differential diagnoses, and understanding personal health data. However, these models have demonstrated limitations, including producing medically inaccurate or nonsensical outputs, hallucinating facts, and propagating existing biases. Despite these limitations, GenAI is being integrated into health systems, holding potential to transform clinical medicine over the long term. However, health systems are more likely to realize its immediate benefits by applying this technology towards improvements in quality, safety, and efficiency through well-defined, low-risk, high-value, and low-variation use cases. In healthcare, generative AI significantly enhances quality and safety at the point of care by automating labor-intensive tasks. It can create dynamic user interfaces that facilitate healthcare workers' interaction with complex medical data, streamlining interactions and extracting crucial information from patient data. This approach improves adherence to evidence-based guidelines, reduces inter-provider variation, and provisions the basic standard of care. Additionally, generative AI can assist clinical engineering teams with healthcare equipment maintenance by transforming lengthy manuals into interactive question and answer systems, enhancing engineer productivity. Generative AI also improves clinical documentation for clinicians and administrators. Its assistive writing abilities reduce documentation burden by documenting specific medical terminology and increasing record accuracy. Examples include writing referral notes and prescriptions, generating concise summaries, and parsing medical records to synthesize clear, concise summaries of active and historical conditions. Recent work has demonstrated the ability of foundation models to extract key data elements from patient notes and reformat this information into a structured layout, aiding in filtering clinical trials. Furthermore, the application of generative AI in healthcare has shown significant potential in enhancing quality and reducing errors. Dynamic checklists, supported by AI, improve compliance with best practices during ward rounds in ICUs, reducing length of stay. AI-enhanced checklists for lung protective ventilation can assess ideal body weight, tidal volumes, and adherence to LPV protocols, standardizing operative and ICU ventilator management. Implementing such systems requires a multidisciplinary approach, considering design, user experience, workflow integration, and performance monitoring within clinical workflows. The integration of generative AI, GenAI, in healthcare is a complex endeavor requiring thorough understanding of its benefits and risks. GenAI systems can enhance workflow efficiency and user experience, but their impact on productivity, workload, and user experience needs to be quantitatively assessed in real-world clinical settings. The total cost of implementation, including monitoring, maintenance, and infrastructure adjustments, is crucial to consider. Risks include hallucinations, omission, and bias, particularly algorithmic bias towards underrepresented minorities, which could perpetuate healthcare disparities. Techniques to mitigate these biases and ensure health equity are essential. Automation complacency is another area of concern. Several studies have investigated the implementation of GenAI in healthcare. For instance, A study published in Nature Medicine, 2020, demonstrated the effectiveness of GenAI in enhancing diagnostic accuracy in medical imaging. Another study in the Journal of the American Medical Association, JAMA, 2019, highlighted the potential of GenAI in reducing healthcare costs. However, a study in the New England Journal of Medicine, NEJM, 2018, raised concerns about the risk of algorithmic bias in GenAI systems. To address these challenges, a coordinated approach involving principles of implementation science and ongoing impact studies is necessary. This includes the development of robust evaluation frameworks to assess the effectiveness and safety of GenAI systems in real-world clinical settings. Furthermore, techniques such as data augmentation, transfer learning, and ensemble methods can be employed to mitigate algorithmic bias and ensure health equity. Ongoing impact studies are necessary to monitor the long-term effects of GenAI implementation on healthcare outcomes and workflows. By addressing these challenges, the potential for GenAI to accelerate quality, safety, and efficiency in healthcare delivery can be realized. The research discusses the capabilities of the foundation model, encompassing data management, potential applications, associated risks, and mitigation strategies. It highlights high-throughput extraction of clinically relevant data variables from unstructured text, social determinants of health extraction, and the propagation of existing biases. The model's user interface focuses on decision support at the point of care, addressing concerns about inaccurate responses from pre-trained data models through RAG-based support. The integration of domain-specific language models into electronic health records, EHR, is emphasized, along with dynamic checklists promoting adherence to evidence-based practice. Stakeholder engagement is crucial for user-centered design. The summary also touches on text summarization, sentence completion, and note writing assistance, emphasizing the importance of educating users about technology limitations and the need for a human in the loop to avoid biases and privacy issues.